Hello and welcome. John Kroner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Monday, July the 16th. Well, let's take a look and see how the markets in Holly did today. First, we're going to go ahead and start with the diamonds. And as you can see here, we ended very close to highs, and turned out to be a strong day. We closed above Friday's high, so that really continues. The spiders just down a little bit. We are right up there at that resistance level. We were trying to poke through, and we hit it again and pulled back a little bit. So hopefully it's just going to pound on it for a day or two or whatever and get through. But it did not get through today. The IWM pulled back just a little bit more today. It's resting right on that 20 moving average. So that's I guess it's encouraging that it pulled back up to it, and we'll see what happens tomorrow there. The IBB pulled back just a little bit, and it's been having a nice run, so it could be just taking a little rest. And the Qs, which hit the all-time highs on Friday, and you can see here technically we have that bearish engulfing candle set up, but with the momentum, that shouldn't be too worried about. The only thing that might be of a little concern is here, it looks like it pulled back a little bit in after market here with this big red candle. And now let's go and take a look at GLD, and you can see nothing real exciting going on there. And the TLT, pulled back, and then it recovered very, very nicely. So we're still in this range here. So we'll see how that all shakes out as we go. Now we'll go ahead and bring our Excel spreadsheet and see how the Hollies did today. It just even though the markets ended up good, it felt like a very rough day to me, at least, for whatever reason, and it seemed like that way to Holly as well. Holly Grail only had 2 trades. She lost 29 cents, and on the risk one she lost 41 cents. On the Holly 2.0, she had 14 trades, and she made $1 profit, and risk on profit was $1 also. So that was pretty unique to have the same amount in both categories. And Holly Neo, 24 trades. So Neo was a little more active, but she lost $1.57. But on the risk on, she made 28 cents. So if we tally it all up, she had 40 trades today, lost 86 cents, but on the risk on made 87 cents. Now we'll take a fast look at what some of the trades were. And within the Neo, we can see if we sort by risk off, and you do that by just clicking here. This TRCO was her best trade, and look at that. My goodness, if you would have got in that a little bit sooner, there was a lot more profit there, but she found it right here on the little pullback it had, and made $1 because she hit her target, and the risk on profit was $1.91, and you can see that was the winner in both categories. Now we'll go ahead and we'll go to Holly Neo and see what the good one was there. And she hit the target on JP, and you can see here, now this was a long, so she one of her best calls was a long in one strategy and a short in another, and you can see with this one it pulled back and then it recovered, and that's where Holly got in. And on the risk on, it was the winner in both categories as well. and Holy Grail, there was really nothing to look at there because both were losers. So, as we always talk about, it's man with machine, and we are going to start our test drive next Monday morning. So now is the time you want to go ahead and get signed up for that. Here's the link for it right here. You get 5 full days of the premium. Everything we have to offer, you'll have access to. You'll even have a chance to win a free year of the Trade Ideas Premium. So it's a great opportunity. We are going to give you access to the free trading room, and quite frankly, you can get into that whether you do the test drive or not, and you'll learn about the software and see how it's being used. And then we're going to have webinars every day, also at 5 o'clock Eastern Time, and all day Friday, or at least a good part of Friday. So, this is ways where you can learn how to use this software, because it is a little bit more complicated to use, and you have to learn how to use it like any other tool in your toolbox. But for $8.88, you cannot go wrong. So I'll put this link in the YouTube video comments, and we would welcome you to go ahead and join us for the test drive. And you can always follow me at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. If you got anything at all out of this video, go ahead and do me a favor, hit this thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to these videos, in the lower right there. So, hey, we appreciate your time. Thank you for watching, and God bless.